I'm asked if may venue ba ang Miss Reina Pilipinas?
Reina Philippines.
What do you mean venue? Like,
May venue na ba?
okay. So, the coronation night. So, our coronation night will be happening ngayong August 8. And it's gonna be happening dyan sa Newport Theater po. Sorry. August 7 pala. Sorry, my bad. So, ulitin ko lang. So, ang aming finals is gonna be happening ngayong August 7. So, wala kaming preliminary, but meron kami 3 araw ng setup. So, gusto kong paghandaan ng maayos yung mga technical. So, that's why we have 3 days prepared.
Okay, sorry. What will set Reina apart from the other pageants right now?
Ako actually hindi ko masyado iniisip how to set it apart because yung mga iba naman nagpo-produce ng pageant, they are doing their best para sa industriya ng pageant. And I think kami ay additional lamang na group of people who are passionate about pageantry na mag-i-stage. And base naman sa mga ibang mga nag-i-stage ng pageant, they're doing very well. And ang kaganda rin ng mga ginagawa nila. And yun, I just wanna focus on what we can do sa Reina.
Last question, makikita ba namin soon yung mga similar na paandar sa Miss Grand Thailand candidates? Will you encourage it or not?
Similar na paandar in what sense?
Tumbling.
I think that depends on them naman.
Oo.
Like, it's open.
Oo, depende
Okay.
naman sa depende naman sa set
Personal.
of candidates, di ba?
Yeah.
And meron din kaming ibang show director. Of course, other than me and then kay Emma, meron pang ibang mga tao na part ng organization na magbibigay sa amin ng guidance, do we allow this or hindi? But other than that, I think diversity is something that is very good.
That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jo, may mga nagtataka lang na iniisip na ito na yata yung final screening. Pwede linawin mo na meron pa tayo?
Yes, we still have. This is just the first screening. Meron din po tayong online application. Hindi pa natin nakikita din yung ibang girls na yon. And we're so proud and happy and grateful also that some of the girls flew pa or nag-land travel pa from Ilocos, di ba? Ngayon pa lang yun what more kapag nagkaroon pa tayo ng grand call and hindi pa natin nakikita talaga yung mga iba na sinabi din ni Jojo na may mga veterana din na sasali dito sa atin sa Reina Filipinas. So,
Magaling
soon.
din sa local director.
Yes, local directors also makikita nyo rin yan sa ating grand call.
How many candidates are we expecting?
Hopefully we can get like 30 candidates for this year for Reina Filipinas.
Do we still have mga out of town activities?
Ooh, we are planning. Rest assured naman na ipopost namin agad-agad yan kapag meron na. We're doing our best actually kasi gusto rin naman namin ma-promote yung Philippines. Nakita natin ang dami-daming pwede nating ma-promote dito, di ba? Iba't ibang sulok ng Pilipinas. So we're trying, we're planning, and babalitaan namin kayo kung meron pa.
We will do our best even though na sobrang ikli lang talaga ng time na meron kami to prepare, but we're gonna do our best. And of course, we wanted it to be memorable for all the ladies and contestants for sure.
Sir Jo, you posted po na 2 transgender will be joining na applicant. Can you please give us a hint kung sino po to? Kasi medyo, alam ko po, pero can you please give us details kung sino po sila?
Yung 2 trans ay parehas na nakapag-represent ng ating country. Yung isa, I guess, ay galing sa isang reality show ng ABS-CBN. And then,
Mali ka.
reality ba tawag mo? Parang isang competition din sa ABS-CBN. So, I think, ayun. And then yung isa... Mali ata ako. Sorry, baka mali lang yung term ko na reality. Pero galing siya sa isang competition sa ABS-CBN. And I think she performed very well. And then yung isa, someone I find very, very good speaker. Ayan.
Ayan.
Na, pag-isipan nyo na kung
I-type
sino
nyo
yan.
na, i-comment nyo na. I-tag nyo na sila.
Emma, kumusta yung naging screening today? Meron ka bang napipisil na magiging successor mo?
Marami. Marami tayong napipisil na I think very grand din talaga sila. The way they speak, the way they perform, the way they ramp, the way they sell. Kasi di ba yun naman din talaga yung gusto natin. Tapos the way na nakikita ko ay ma-represent talaga nila yung Philippines to the highest level. Ano pa lang yun ito pa lang sa screening na to, hindi pa natin nakikita yung sa online application. So, I'm excited to see all of the girls who will join Reina Filipinas for this year.
CJ, will you be part of the training team for?
I hope so. Yes. I'll be helping, of course, on the pasarela side, but I think we will be collaborating with a lot more. We have a lot of amazing trainers here in the Philippines, so I'd love to see more of the trainers. I'd love to work with them, share my knowledge. Also, hopefully, we can build a lot more dreams of the girls. And yeah, actually, today we were able to see a lot of potential winners, not just potential candidates, but potential winners. I love how they showed their personality. They really know what stage they are in. They know that there are no restrictions here and they can just be themselves. And that's what we are looking for. So hopefully we can see more of those girls.
Sergio, after the screening, ano po yung marireceive ng mga candidates kung paano malalaman nila kung makakapasok sila?
Okay, so actually sa unang plano ngayon dapat meron na silang idea kung whether nakapasok sila or hindi. But during meron kasing mga ibang candidates na galing sa
South?
hindi yan. Galing sa yung background na kung saan sila galing. And meron kami mga gusto lang i-clarify from the main MGI organization para lang alam namin kung hanggang saan yung allowed, pwede ba to, hindi ba to pwede. Yung mga restrictions, tama si Emma, I think so much. Yun, so I think yun lang yung kailangan namin i-figure out. So give us a few more days para lang i-coordinate yung mga bagay. And then from there, okay. And malalaman namin yan, malalaman nila yan pag pinatawag sila sa grand callback. So magkakaroon kami ng grand callback para yung mga galing sa online and then yung mga galing sa local directors ay makita nyo na nag-isa para makita nyo sila ng buong-buo comes July 8. Yun pala yun, July 8 po ang aming press presentation in Sashing 7.
Sergio, meron din po ba tayo mga Filipino communities abroad na sasali?
Actually, merong mga inquiry kaso I think isa sa mga challenges is yung time talaga. Like the preparation and yun lang yung mga kinukonsider nila. Of course, kapag sumali naman ng competition, they wanted to present their best, diba? And to really perform. Of course, this is MGI, alam niyo yun. Performance talaga to knowing having CJ here and then Emma here, talagang mga magagaling talaga sila. So I think the standards na sinetila, and of course reigning si Emma, the standards na sinetila ay napakataas. So yun yung mga consideration ng mga iba, especially coming outside the Philippines. Yan.
Parang dapat mga Mary na yata.
Ay, hindi
Ano yung susunod dapat sa
Hindi naman po. Just be themselves.
ganung level dapat. Mga Mary level.
Naman.
Emma, how do you find it so far that you're a reigning queen at the same time you're the national director of fashion?
Actually, nag-sink in lang talaga sa akin nung nasa Guatemala ako kasi talking with the national director, I was there as the reigning Miss Grand International, right? And then when the national director, si Alex, tinanong niya ako, sabi niya, so who's the national director right now of the Miss Grand Philippines? I was like, me? And he was like, you? Parang ilang seconds silang natahimik, tas ako parang, hala, oo nga, national director na rin pala. So, yeah, doon pa lang talaga siya nag-sink in nung nasa Guatemala. But right now, I am enjoying, I'm doing my responsibility as your reigning Miss Grand International. Actually, end of this month, I will be flying to Vietnam together with Jojo and CJ also. And after that,
Xin chào!
I will have my fan meet naman in Singapore. So I'm still doing the world tour as your Miss Grand. But at the same time, kahit nga nasa layover ako, nagme-meeting pa rin kami ni Jojo kung paano namin mas pagagandahin pa ang Reyna Filipinas. So we just want to give our very best para din sa mga candidates, sa inyo, sa mga manonood. Kasi ibang klase kapag manonood ka ng napakagandang production. Like what we've experienced in All Stars. Diba? At first parang, hala, anong kalalabasan kayo na All Stars? Diba? Pero nung nag-run na yung pageant, bawat tao na love na yung All Stars at nung natapos yung All Stars, hinahanap pa nila ulit. Sana ganun yung maramdaman ng tao dito sa Reyna Filipinas.
Does this mean that yung TV hostings mo will also take a backseat
For now, I will just focus first on Miss Grand International and Reyna Filipinas.
Sir Jojo, sorry to ask this, but I remember you told us na ang hinahanap mo ay yung kung hindi super pro na mas mataas pa kay CJ or at this level na or Miss Emma is that someone na medyo madaling i-train. Nandun na po ba siya sa online applicants or sa mga kanina? Are you seeing that?
Grabe si Miss Tenten magtanong, no?
Are you seeing that already? Nandun na po ba? Or medyo 50-50.
Ito ang gusto ko sa matatalino talaga ang ating mga friends sa media. I-leading yung tanong.
Sobra.
But I think galing sa mga veterans, feeling ko merong mga ready. Pero base sa nakita ko kanina sa lalaban yung mga
Yeah,
newbies.
they're gonna give a fair
Actually,
fight.
nakakatawa kanina dito, nag-screen sa amin, not so many. However, very strong. Parang alam mo yung parang silang na-pre-select. Alam mo yung ganun. So,
Quality.
sobrang napaproud ako. And they're very aware of Reina Filipinas as well. Of course, MGI. And we'll see. Ako, naniniwala ako that based sa mga candidates, magpupuksaan sila sa stage.
Paano si Lola?
Ay, kasi ganito yan, may si Sir Ferdy pala na nagtanong. Baka mag-trending na naman tayo dito. May nag-submit kasi na lola, I think parang ginawa lang siguro ng apo o ng anak. And
Ilang taon na siya?
I think mga nasa 60 something, mga 65,
Sana manood na lang si Lola.
Oo, sana manood na lang si Lola.
Ano ba special guest niyo si Lola? Para mapanood.
Kung kaya siguro, pero syempre mahirap na mga restriction. But natuwa naman ako that imagine from bata to hanggang sa mga senior citizen na ay gustong sumali. So, yun.
Sumali.
Joe, can we talk about your trip to Vietnam? Bakit ang dami ninyong pupunta doon? Ano bang pwede ninyong
They're very
i-review?
generous.
Una kay CJ.
No, Hung Kiang was very generous. She invited us for Miss International Queen Vietnam to be present on that event. But at the same time, she's gonna have her fan meet. So at first, the schedule wasn't sure yet. So ang ginawa na lang is magkasunod na araw. So we'll be present on her fan meet and also just her press conference for winning, of course, for Vietnam. And then the next day would be the Miss International Queen Vietnam. So we'll be present
Coronation
there.
night.
Yes po. So doon na sila magka-crown ng kanilang MIQ Vietnam. So we're so happy na they invited everybody here. So ang dami namin pupunta. We'll be with Vanessa also and Vina, if I'm not mistaken. And Papa Nawat, of course.
Ako naman nagulat ako na nakasama ako sa in-invite.
Sa lineup.
Sa lineup. Kasi puro naman sila winners eh. Para sabi ko, anong gagawin ko dun? But in-invite lang ako because after nung judging ko nung
All-Stars.
MJ All-Stars, parang nagkaroon ako ng fanbase sa Vietnam. Parang nakapal-kapal na mukha ko sa mga fanbase. So, nagkaroon ako ng attention from people sa Juju, diba tawag nila sa akin. And then sabi nila, gusto nila pagbigyan yung mga Vietnamese to see me up close. Parang medyo naninibago.
Kaya ba medyo namamayan ka?
Yes, nagpe-prepare na.
So para lang meron akong chance to say thank you of course for the love and attention para sa Barangay and sa akin. So, yun.
Come on.
Thank you for inviting us. See you, Vietnam.
Thank you, Xin Chao, Vietnam.
Sir Joe, last question. Ay, hindi mo last question. For example, isipin
Last
natin,
ayun na.
top 3 scorer. Top scorer na veterans. Possible ba yung isang veteran is mapunta sa Miss Grand Philippines o sa All-Star lang siya? Tatlong veterans na nag-top
Okay.
sa score.
Pagdating naman dito, of course, kung allowed naman sila sa eligible, sorry. If eligible naman sila for both crowns, wala naman silang magagawa if the judges decided to put them on either MGI or MGI All-Stars because the judges for sure will decide kung saan sila.
Deliberate.
Magdi-deliberate at not unless ang trans ang mag-top
Mag-top.
ang trans ang mag-top sa scoring. So, hindi siya eligible for MGI due to the rules na magkaiba pero pwede siya sa MGI All-Stars. Di ba, Sir Ferdy?
Pero question, follow up doon, hindi ba pwedeng ang title mo kasi is Reina Pilipinas, di ba?
Oo.
So, you're gonna award the titles as separate ba? Or is there a one Reina Pilipinas crown na pwedeng manalo, it's either trans or cisgender na woman?
Sorry, hindi ko nag-get. Sorry,
Ano mga titles sa
Kasi di ba ang titles mo is Reina Pilipinas MGI
Apo.
International, Reina Pilipinas MGI All-Star. Tama ba ako?
Tama po.
So, tatlong sash yan, di ba?
Apo.
Pero the main title is Reina Pilipinas. Are you awarding the main title or diretso na dun sa crown na talaga? Yung sash na...
Nag-gets ko na, sorry po. So,
Yeah.
the way kasi siyang tinitingnan is Reina Filipinas Grand International, Reina Filipinas MGI
Yes.
All-Star. So, diretso na siya.
Diretso na, hindi na yung
Oo.
one title lang na...
Hindi na one title na parang pwede ka mamili. Parang I think similar with the Miss South Africa ata. Parang ganun yung namimili yung winner. But dito, dire-diretso
Diretso
na
na,
siya.
yes.
And hoping in the future, malay mo, mas marami pang titles ang mapunta sa Reyna Pilipinas. And
Balita ko nga, in 2 years time.
Bilis let's pray for that.
malay natin, di ba? But ngayon, focus tayo dito. And of course, MGI is MGI. So sobrang excited ako. Tulad nga nagsabi ni Emma, ang ganda nung naging reception sa MGI All-Stars. And ang daming interested din na to like participate. Yes.
Sir Joe, when it comes to MJ All-Stars, diba, sa Thailand, parang isang kami na doon yung mataas ang prize, ang premyo. Sa dito ba sa MJ All-Stars sa Philippines, magkano po ba matatanggap ng mananalo?
Magaling yan. Actually, nag-uusap na kami nito ni Emma kung kailan namin sasabihin publicly yung price. Pero meron silang marireceive. And ako naman bilang isang tao, kilala niyo naman ako. Once na nangako ko ng isang bagay, give yan. Wala kayong poproblemahin na hindi niyo siya makukuha. Ibibigay at ibibigay yan. So, ngayon, I think the safest is, pwede ko sabihin, I think safest is 250,000. And then, we're working on si Emma kasi sabi ni Emma, baka pwede natin gawin 500,000 and all that. So, for MJ, we're working on it. But the safest is 250,000. Na sure kang makukuha niyo.
And the safest is 1 year supply of Jojo Bragay.
Yes!
All the way to international.
Forever!
Kasi syempre nagkikare ako sa mga binibitawan ko na pag may sinabi ako, I wanted to make sure na kaya ko yun ibigay. Kasi diba sabi nga ni Sir Ferdy, kung walang, charot lang.
So Sir Joe, magaganapin ba ang live scoring ng mga judges?
Actually, ako personally gusto ko, but nung time kasi namin sa MJ, importante kasi na maganda yung system with the IT. So, we're working on it. So, ngayon ang isa sa mga pinaghahandaan talaga namin, matapos na yung selection namin sa candidates, then eventually makapag-press presentation na kami. And magsama-sama tayo ulit sa Tagaytay po tayo. Press presentation and sana makasama namin po kayo.
Follow-up question po, sino po ba mga napipisin na magiging judges?
Parang aga na magsabi. Pero meron na. Isa, I guess is nakausap ko siya, fashion designer based sa ibang country. Yeah. Gusto niya daw mag-support and be one of the judges. Thank you po.
Invite them sa second or maybe the last or final callback.
Grand
Yes. Yes.
July 2. Okay, so to everyone who's still willing, of course, to July 3, okay. So those who want to pass their application, we have the online screening
Up until the 30th.
and up until the 30th now. So calendar guys, mark it. Up until the 30th, you can pass your application. We have our next screening on July 3, same place po tayo sa Jojo Bragay's flagship store.
Yun.
And open pa rin tayo for the local franchise.
Yes.
We're still open.
And sponsors.
Oo. So just to clarify, ang online submission ay pwede pa rin up until hanggang June 30. And then magkakaroon kami ng grand callback sa July 3. Ayan. So kumbaga pwede pa rin kayo mag-apply. And then ipapatawag na namin yung mga nag-apply din na iba for online application. Kasi maraming mga strong contenders as well na I'm pretty sure na mai-excite ang lahat to know sino-sino.
Galing.
Galing na lang Miss Ten, no?
Thank you po.
Picture pa!